Hello guys, welcome to Online Learning Hub. So today in this video I will discuss top 20 important questions from the topic Battles in Indian History. And this topic is very important for all the competitive exams. Watch this video till the end, it will definitely help you in your upcoming exam. So let's begin. So here we have our first questions. When was the Battle of Kanwa fought? And the options are 1526, 1527, 1192, 1556. And the right answer for this question is number B, 1527. So the Battle of Kanwa was fought in the year 1527, and this battle was fought between Babur and Rana Sangha of Mewar. Babur defeated Rana Sangha and adopted the title Ghazi. So let's move to the next question. Battle of Haidaspi was fought on the bank of which river? And the options are Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ganga. And the right answer for this question is number B, Jhelum. So the Battle of Haidaspi was fought on the bank of river Jhelum. And this Battle of Haidaspi was fought between Alexander and Porus. Alexander invaded India in 326 BC. You might get questions that when did Alexander invaded India? Then your answer will be 326 BC. When was the first Battle of Panipat fought? And the options are 1526, 1556, 1761, 1660. And the right answer for this question is number A, 1526. So the first Battle of Panipat was fought in the year 1526. First Battle of Panipat was fought between Akbar and Hemu, Babur and Rana Sangha, Sher Shah, Humayun, Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. And the right answer for this question is number D, Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. So the first Battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, and in this battle Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi, and with the defeat of Ibrahim Lodi, the Lodi dynasty came to an end and Mughal dynasty marked its beginning. Second Battle of Panipat was fought in 1526, 1556, 1561, 1761. So the right answer for this question is number B, 1556. So the second Battle of Panipat was fought in the year 1556. And this battle was fought between Akbar and Hemu. So here we have another questions. When was third Battle of Panipat fought? And the options are 1526, 1556, 1561, 1761. And the right answer for this question is number D, 1761. So the third Battle of Panipat was fought in the year 1761. And do not get confused with the first battle, second battle and third battle. So first battle was fought in the year 1526, second battle was fought in the year 1556, and third battle was fought in the year 1761. And this third battle of Panipat was fought between Maratha and Ahmad Shah Abdali. Battle of Buxar was fought in 1754, 1756, 1761, 1764. Right answer for this question is number D, 1764. So the Battle of Buxar was fought in the year 1764, and the battle was fought between the combined force of Mir Qasim, Shuja-ud-Dawla, Shah Alam versus East India Company. When was Battle of Plassey fought? 1764, 1664, 1557, 1757. And the right answer for this question is 1757. So the Battle of Plassey was fought in the year 1757, and it was fought between Siraj-ud-Dawla and East India Company. The first Battle of Tarain was fought in the year, and the options are 1008, 1191, 1028, 1192. And the right answer for this question is number B, 1192. So the first Battle of Tarain was fought in the year 1192. The first Battle of Tarain was fought between Prithviraj Chauhan, Shah Alam, Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori, Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, Prithviraj Chauhan and Rana Sangha. And the right answer for this question is number B, Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. So the first Battle of Tarain was fought between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori, and in this battle Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori. Second Battle of Tarain was fought in which year? And the options are 1226, 1192, 1191, 1206. And the right answer for this question is 1192. This battle was also fought between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori, but in this battle Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Muhammad Ghori. Battle of Haldi Ghati was fought in 1191, 1776, 1576, 1556. And the right answer for this question is 1576. And this battle was fought between Akbar and Maharana Pratap. So guys, all the additional information that I am giving to you are also very important because from that information also you can get the questions in exams. So listen to it carefully, or you can note it down in your copy. So let's move to the next question. In which year Battle of Connaught took place? And the right answer for this question is, and the options are 1540, 1528, 1538, 1556. And the right answer for this question is number A, 1540. So the Battle of Connaught was fought in the year 1540, and the battle was fought between Sher Shah and Humayun. The Kalinga War was fought in 261 BC, 226 BC, 326 BC, 326 AD. And the right answer for this question is option A, 261 BC. So the Kalinga War was fought in the year 261 BC. The Kalinga War was fought between Ashoka and Shisugupta on the bank of river Daya, and the horror of this Kalinga War has completely changed the life of Ashoka. After this war, he followed the policy of peace. When was the Battle of Chanderi fought? And the options are 1556, 1526, 1439, 1528. And the right answer for this question is 1528. So the Battle of Chanderi was fought in the year 1528, and it was fought between Babur and Medina Rai of Chanderi. Who is known as the hero of 100 battles? And the options are Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, Harshavardhana, Samudragupta. And the right answer for this question is number D, Samudragupta. So Samudragupta is known as the hero of 100 battles, and he is also known as Napoleon of India. Remember this one also, it's very important. When was the Battle of Chandwar fought? And the options are 1008, 712, 1194, 647. And the right answer for this question is number C, 1194. So the Battle of Chandwar was fought in the year 1194. So the battle was fought between Rajput ruler Jaichand and Muhammad Ghori. Battle of Ten Kings is mentioned in which Veda? And the options are Sam Veda, Atharva Veda, Rig Veda and Yajur Veda. And the right answer for this question is number C, Rig Veda. So the Battle of Ten Kings is mentioned in Rig Veda. So guys, this one is very important questions. Remember this one. Battle of Hind was fought in 1008, 1492, 1191, 1761. And the right answer for this question is number A, 1008. So the Battle of Hind was fought in the year 1008, and it was fought between Anandapala and Muhammad Ghazni. Tipu Sultan died during which of the following war? Second Anglo-Maratha War, Third Anglo-Mysore War, Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, Second Anglo-Sikh War. And the right answer for this question is option C, Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. So Tipu Sultan died while fighting against Lord Wellesley in Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. When was Battle of Chausa fought? And the options are 1556, 1528, 1539, 1540. And the right answer for this question is 1539. So the Battle of Chausa fought in the year 1539, and this battle was fought between Sher Shah and Humayun. So guys, with this we have come to the end of the video, and if you like this video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel.